What makes a nation rich or poor? Some believe the answer is geography. American author Jared Diamonds, in his book Guns, Germs, and Steel, coins a term geographical luck, which means the countries which have the best geography, that is, natural resources, oil, minerals, good climate, rivers, they are destined to be succeed. Really? What if a country is naturally blessed with oil, minerals, but then too, the people living in that country continue to suffer because wars destroying the stability? What if internal riots divides the society? What if majority politics, corruption consumes the society from within? What is the real curse? Is geography still a blessing if the people living in that country cannot benefit from that? Majority of the countries are now poor because of the same natural resources that they had in their country attracted the European colonialists. Still, we see countries trapped in wars because of their strategic location, oil, minerals. I strongly believe that nations prosper only if the societies are built with institutional laws and political opportunities. So, I am repeating, can we call geography a blessing if the people living in that particular geographical location cannot benefit from that? And in the end, whom do we blame for this geographical unluckiness? The government, religion, or the people themselves, or simply fate?